Hello everyone. Today we will study about direct and indirect project cost under the project management. So what is direct cost of construction project? The costs and expenses that are accountable directly on a facility, function or product are called as direct cost. So in construction projects, the direct costs are the cost incurred on labor, material, equipment, etc. So these costs for a construction project are developed as estimates by mean of detailed analysis of the contract activities, construction method, the site condition and the resources. Different direct costs in construction projects are the material cost, labor cost, subcontractor cost and the equipment cost. Now, what is indirect cost of construction project? The cost, unlike direct cost, is not directly accountable for a particular facility, product or function. So, indirect cost can be either variable or fixed. The main section coming under the indirect cost are personal cost, security cost and administration cost. So these costs do not have a direct connection with the construction project. So first we have to understand the difference between direct and indirect cost. So direct costs are the cost that can be directly attributed to a specific project. For example, labor, raw material and equipment rental cost. Indirect costs are the costs that cannot be directly attributed to a specific project. For example, management, journal administration, rental and utility cost. So in other words, indirect costs are those for activities or services that benefit more than one project. So here we can see the example of direct cost, that is employee salaries and benefits, labor cost, material cost, equipment rental cost and the project related travel cost. And here we can also see the examples of indirect cost, that is management, journal administration, building rental, utilities, security, advertisement, insurance and legal cost. That is another important point in direct and indirect project cost, that is direct and indirect cost consideration in make or buy decision. So both direct and indirect cost should be considered while making make or buy decision on the projects. So direct cost would include the actual cost of purchasing the product, whereas indirect cost would include the cost of supporting the purchasing process and the purchase product. Cost classification is an important concept in budgeting, accounting and project management. So cost classification and categorization of expenses help project team to understand what kind of cost will be spent during the life cycle of their project. For example, while creating the baseline budget, a cost control engineer lists the direct and indirect cost in the construction project. So basically, direct cost and indirect cost are two different concepts used for budget planning and accounting operations. However, there are some key differences between them. It is not easy to make a certain list of direct and indirect cost all the time, because direct and indirect costs are based on the nature of the product and business. So typically, direct costs are attributable to a product, goods or service itself. Direct costs are directly related to the product. On the other hand, indirect costs are those required to produce the product. However, they are not directly related to the product. So this video answer this question, see that what are the primary difference between the direct and indirect costs. So direct costs directly benefit a particular project, where indirect costs benefit multiple projects. So from this video, we can understand the importance of direct and indirect project cost in our construction project, and how we can differentiate between direct and indirect cost. So thanks for watching this video.